Welcome again to another Black Friday fabric sales unboxing. So first off, I'd just like to say, yeah, it's a new haircut, and yes, this fabric was from last year's haul. So other than that, let's get started. I did go pattern shopping. So these were a couple. I got a, what's this thing called? Oh yeah, pocketbook. And a robe for someone very special in my life. And without further ado, we're going to get into the fabric for this very special robe. So, as you can see marked over here, it's a Joann box. So we're going to take it down and use my trusty not fabric scissors, because that would be a crime. And we're going to open up and you will see what the main fabric is for the robe. Yes, 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 it's something very pretty and super, super soft. Ah, look at that. Ah, feel that. It's very pretty. It's got mushrooms, flowers, leaves, fall theme, and it's super cozy on both sides. So that, along with what's in this box, which is the cuffs and the pockets and the tie. Yellow. So let's put those together again real quick so you can see. Yeah, Joann's didn't have a whole lot, but they had this. So this is a nice little match. And again, very soft, very pretty. So that's my composed robe by Love Notions, and it's super easy to make. Everyone in your family deserves a nice robe. So there you have it, my first project of the year. Moving on. Let's go over the pocketbook next. I have a local shop that had a sale on fabric. Yes, Clementine, Rockland. And this beautiful canvas. And I had to make some binding. So I'm going to do binding in gray, and then everything else is in this little tiny box from Mood Fabrics. Mood Fabrics? Mood Fabrics, yes. Since we no longer have fabric.com, you have to shop other places. So this is Mood Fabrics. And they have a ton of stuff, not just fabric. They have zippers and zipper, things to hold your pocketbook up. This is another zipper, the large one, and then little rings, gunmetal rings to hold it up as well. So that's everything I need to make this little pocketbook. Voila! Second project. Moving on. So everything from here on in, I have no clue what's in these boxes or bags. It's a free-for-all. This one is from Hawthorne Supply Company. Again, a very prestigious place to shop. And I waited to their year-long sale. So you got to be faithful about some of these fabric places. And I waited. And let's see what I got this year. Oh, now I remember. So this beautiful fabric is for my grandson. I'm going to make him another. He likes Hawaiian shirts, so I'm going to make him a button-up Hawaiian shirt with this. Hopefully he'll love it, because he loves those bright, bright, bright colors. And then for my grandkids who live in, I'm not going to say where else, just this state. Whoop. It's a panel. I'm going to make bags, little tiny zipper bags. So they live in this state. And look at how pretty this is. It's just floral on one side. And for the inner lining, I got a matching linen. And then for my grandson who loves red, he's going to get the red to go with the apple. So that's project number 3. The shirt will wait till summer. Okay. Okay, now I remember what I got. This is from Joann's. I know exactly what this is. Can never have too many of these. And if you're a sewist like me who has fun instead of stressful sewing, you need one of those, or two, or three, depending on where you sit. Yes, it's another seam ripper, but it's really a comfy one, so that goes over there. Now, this one's from knitfabric.com, and that's where I bought this material from last year. So she had sales all month long. She did every week. Fantastic sale. So let's see what I bought. Oh, yes, this is cool. Kind of another project for kids. I'm not sure who's gonna get what, but she does panels, so like the front of t-shirts. So I'm gonna hold this up. Let's sleep under the stars. I saw, what? I want some more. I'm reading them backwards. And happy camping. And then this one says, I love this one. I read past my bedtime. I know exactly who's gonna get that one. And I'd rather be reading. So kid stuff, and then she has this option where you get to pick fabric to go with this. So this is just the front of the shirt, and then I'm gonna match it with the white. So the rest of the t-shirt is gonna be sleeves and the binding and the back. So isn't that gonna be pretty? And for my grandson for the winter, who doesn't love a good Game Boy game fabric? This will be a t-shirt. So yeah, I love picking up these panels because they can go to any kid. Surprise, surprise, surprise. So let me just move these on, see what I got next. Okay, this ball of burrito, you may remember from last year. I gotta be very careful opening this. It's from my So Weird lady, who's just lovely. She saved me shipping by doing this. But I don't know how I'm gonna get this open. Just very carefully unwrap. Yeah, the tape. It's amazing. She knows how to wrap fabric. Oh, there it is. So just, oh. And that may look familiar to some of you ladies out there. Some of you men may have no clue, but I can't really say the name of this fabric because I might get in trouble. But if you know, you know. Oh man, I gotta cut it. Just carefully. Anyway, it's for me. This one. I'm still unrolling the burrito. It's birthing. It's like a cow or a calf. Or, see, it really is a burrito. We're gonna unroll it. Here we go. So the black goes with this plaid, which is a famous plaid. The purple, these are all DPD, or double brushed poly, DPD. This blue I got for my husband because he has gorgeous blue eyes. Wink, 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 wink. And he just looks so good in it, and he loves the soft DPD. This, I'm not sure who I got this for. Somebody, maybe, I don't know, testing. And this is definitely for me, but I use the black as an accent. So, double brush poly, that's my new soft fabric recommendation for the year. Double brush poly, ladies, gotta have it. All right, moving on. This is from knitfabric.com, and so again, she had sales all week long, and I wanted to share the love, so I only bought 2 weeks worth of fabric from her. And again, I'm not sure what this is, but oh, this is some pretty fabric. Okay. So this is a little bit of French terry? I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, French terry. It felt like French terry. This is for me. I'm going to make some joggers for me. I make them for my husband all the time. He loves them. This is some modal for a t-shirt, which is going to be really soft. This is some stretch pink corduroy. Not sure what I'm doing with that. Oh, bonus fabric. It's your lucky day. It's the end of the bolt and you have extra fabric. Happy sewing, ladies. Always nice to get some extra fabric. So I think it stretches this way, not that way. Just a horizontal stretch, not vertical. Wait, is this vertical? This is vertical. This is no, I did it wrong. Never mind, don't listen to me. And then this is a really cool, I thought it would match, but it doesn't. Anyway, this is a waffle knit. So it's got kind of that dent in the middle to make it a waffle. And I just thought this would be a really cool, oh, white on the other side so you can tell, thank goodness, tell right from the wrong side. But I thought these would be really cool, like winter type fabrics for me. You know, I live in the snow area, so these are for me. All right, so I buy a lot for other people, but I do get some stuff for me. Last box. This is from So Weird too. I don't remember buying this. No clue what's in this. And she didn't burrito it, so I have no clue. What could it be? I don't know. I don't know. And I can't open it right. I have to really get the corners because she takes everything amazing. When you don't want your stuff to fall out of a package, you tape everything. Okay. Last box. It's gonna be good. Oh, it's the good stuff. It's Art Gallery fabrics. And Art Gallery, as I've mentioned before, is some of the best, softest, and she always sends me bonus stuff. Apparently that other stuff was too good of a sale to give me the... Okay, so this is a really pretty floral, not floral, fruit. It's fruit. It's berries, raspberries, tangerines. Again, just too good to pass up on. Here's a white floral with bright colors. Have no clue who that's going to. And then finally cherries. This one's going for my granddaughter. She loves cherries in real life and on fabric. So, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our Black Friday sales, fabric sales unboxing. Thank you for coming along. I hope you had a good time, and I'll see you next year. Bye for now.